What is freelancing? Freelancing is the practice of working independently and offering services to clients or businesses on a project or contract basis. Freelancers are not employed by a specific company or organization, but rather work for themselves and are typically paid by the project or hourly rate. Freelancers can provide a wide range of services, including writing, web design, software development, SEO, data entry, digital marketing, telemarketing, and more. They have the flexibility to choose their own clients, set their own schedules, and determine their own rates. Freelancing has become increasingly popular in recent years as technology has made it easier for people to work remotely and connect with clients from all over the world. It can be a great way for individuals to earn income, gain experience, and build a portfolio of work, while enjoying the freedom and autonomy that comes with being self-employed. User benefit of freelancing. There are several benefits to freelancing, some of which include
flexibility control, unlimited earning potential, work-life balance, skill development, independence,
flexibility. One of the biggest benefits of freelancing is the flexibility it provides. Freelancers can choose their own clients, set their own schedules, and work from anywhere with an internet connection. Control. Freelancers have complete control over the types of projects they work on, the clients they work with, and the rates they charge. This allows them to build a portfolio of work that aligns with their skills and interests. Unlimited earning potential. Freelancers can earn as much as they want, based on their skills and the demand for their services. They have the ability to take on multiple projects at once and increase their income over time. Work-life balance. Freelancers have the ability to create their own work-life balance, which can help reduce stress and improve overall well-being. Skill development. Freelancing allows individuals to develop their skills and gain experience across a wide range of projects and industries. This can help them become more versatile and attractive to potential clients. Independence. Freelancing allows individuals to work independently without the constraints of a traditional employer. This can provide a sense of autonomy and freedom that many people find appealing.
Summary. Overall, freelancing can provide a rewarding and fulfilling career path for those who are willing to put in the time and effort to build their skills and client base. Thanks for watching.